I'm going to show you how to make a September morning. We're going to start off by filling our glass about halfway with ice, just like that. And I rinsed my ice first, so I'm just going to strain it. There we go. And I like to rinse my ice so that it doesn't taste like whatever's been in my freezer for the last 6 months. That way my cocktail tastes a whole lot better. All right, now I'm going to add in 1.5 ounces of light rum. There we go. That's 1.5. I'm going to add in about a teaspoon of cherry brandy, so just a splash, and 1/2 teaspoon of grenadine, so just a half a splash. Great. Then I'm going to add in a 1/2 ounce of lime juice. Wunderbar. And an egg white. Yes, an egg white. All right, add that in there. It's not just for breakfast anymore. Shake it up. And then I'm going to strain this into a cocktail glass. Oh, a cocktail glass has appeared as if by magic. There we go. We're going to strain this just like so. And there you have a September morning. Cheers.